Tileasy Tile Scribe comes with a carbide tip, rubber protection cap and plastic construction. To make a cut into a small tile or tile piece, simply scribe a straight line using a rule. Then, using the other end of the scribe, use as a breaking tool.
Got dirty grout? Don't spend all that time and money ripping out tile. Bring it back to life with the HYDE Regrout tool. The Regrout tool is the fastest, easiest, cleanest way to make old tile look new again. The rubberized grip and 3-speed motor chips away all types of grout up to 1/8 inch wide. And the long-lasting carbide bits cruise through your dingy old grout at up to 1 inch per second. Completely retiling this kitchen would cost up to $7,000 versus just $100 for a simple regrouting. Other grout removal methods are awkward and dangerous and can damage your tiles. The Regrout tool's vibrating tips can reach even the most challenging areas, and it's safe to the touch. In just a fraction of the time, you'll be regrouting and breathing new life into your home. The Regrout tool from HYDE, saving you time and money on your next tile job.
Introducing RIDGID LevelMax Anti-Lippage and Spacing System. LevelMax easily corrects tile lippage with 3 easy steps. Tile lippage is a variation in the height of adjoining tiles, which is a greater issue with the growing popularity of large format tile, where tile warping is more common. LevelMax corrects this with a completely toolless system for intersection joints, offset joints, and straight joints on the floor or wall. First, select the LevelMax parts for the type of tile you are laying. Part A, the top, will be used in all scenarios and is reusable. You'll also want Part B, the flat stem, for tiling next to walls and any other straight joints. Then choose Part C for intersections, or Part D for offset tile. The stems are not reusable. Step 1. Place the stem, Part C or D, depending on your format, under each corner of the tile you are laying. Step 2. After you've laid down all the joining tile, spin the top, Part A, all the way down until all the tiles are flush to each other. When you get to a wall, repeat the process with Part B, ideally 2 inches from the wall, to hold and level single joint lines. Allow 24 hours for the thin set to set before Step 3, and simply kick off the stem, saving the top, Part A, for future jobs. Because RIDGID LevelMax can grab 3 to 4 tiles at once, you'll save time and money over competing systems by using less. And LevelMax can double as a 1/16 inch spacer, which again can save you more time and more money. But if you want thicker grout lines, you can still use traditional spacers. For anti-lippage that is truly as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start with the top, Part A, the flat stem, Part B, and either Part C for intersection or Part D for offsets. Available at the Home Depot or online at homedepot.com.
From the brand known for legendary precision and unparalleled performance, come breakthrough innovations in laser tool technology. Capabilities you've never seen, productivity you've never imagined, in an entire new line of Bosch laser measuring tools. The Bosch GTL3 wall and floor covering laser breaks new ground with features never before seen in a layout tool. Its unique elevated beams project cleanly over uneven surfaces and obstructions. An industry-first 45-degree layout line enables ideal alignment and accuracy. And an innovative offset pivot point sets a clear, highly visible starting point in front of the tool. These innovative features, combined with its industry-leading accuracy and rugged durability, make the GTL3 the most effective laser on the market for floor and wall coverings. Bosch asked flooring contractors how a laser layout tool could make their work easier, and the GTL3 delivers. Its elevated lasers shine bright, clear lines up to 65 feet. Two 90-degree lines make squaring a room fast and easy. And its 45-degree line provides a valuable additional guide and an ideal orientation for diagonal layouts. When laying walls, its powerful base-mounted magnets hold firmly to our versatile quick-mount positioning plate or any available steel surface. And its rugged, dust-proof, waterproof design assures accurate use in any conditions, day after day, year after year. Affordable, versatile, and packed with game-changing new features. The GTL3 wall and floor covering laser delivers the kind of performance you only expect from Bosch. Legendary precision, unparalleled performance.
The Beast 10 10-inch tile saw is designed and engineered in a joint venture between Lackmond Products and Delta. We listened to what tile contractors desired in a saw and designed a saw to meet their specific needs. For today's professional contractor, the three most important factors for a tile saw are accuracy, capacity, and warranty. A tile saw can have a variety of other innovative and useful features, but none of them matter if it cannot cut straight. To demonstrate the accuracy of a tile saw in a showroom setting, contractors will often grip the tray and twist it on the rails. They'll repeat this process with the tray in the rear position, where accuracy is most critical. By highlighting the minimal movement and comparing to other saws on the market, we can validate our accuracy claims in a showroom setting. The Beast 10-inch tile saws utilize a 13-bearing system to provide 1/32 of an inch accuracy over a 24-inch tile, making it the most accurate tile saw on the market. The wheels ride along the left stainless steel guide rail, which is easily adjusted to maintain pinpoint accuracy throughout the life of the tool. A separate adjustment tutorial is available upon request. Capacity is the second critical factor for a tile saw. Tiles are getting larger, and the popularity of wood-look porcelain planks has brought saw capacity to the forefront of a contractor's mind. The Beast 10 tile saw can perform a 34-inch rip cut, 39-inch with plunge, and can diagonally cut a 24-inch tile in one pass. The third critical point for today's contractors is in the saw warranty. The Beast sliding tray saws have a 3-year warranty, covering defects and repairs coming from normal use through the 3-year life of the tool. The Beast 10 is equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor which tilts to ensure accurate 22.5-degree and 45-degree bevel cuts, and offers a plunge cut feature, making it easy to execute V-cap cuts, cutouts for wall sockets, and much more. The Beast 10 comes with a removable table extension, and drip tray extension provides additional water containment when cutting large format tiles. The durable steel pipe saw frame is constructed to withstand the toughest conditions. The Beast water system utilizes technology developed in the CNC tooling and machining industry, delivering water exactly where you want it rather than coating the blade. It can be easily adjusted to your exact cutting needs and can be adapted for different cutting situations or materials. Beast saws now ship with an upgraded dual water system. Customers who purchase the original units can request a dual water system by contacting our customer service department. The pump system sits inside a silt divider to help minimize slurry going through the pump system, and the water hose and pump cord are long enough to allow contractors to place the pump in a bucket of clean water on the ground if they choose. The water hose is externally located and of standard 1/4-inch diameter, so it can be replaced easily without disassembling the tool. 1/4-inch tubing is easily sourced at any local hardware store or can be replaced by Lackmond as needed. The Beast Series tile saws incorporate a cord wrap on the side of the machine, keeping the cord and plug out of the wet tray and protecting it during transport. Although the Beast tile saws boast industry-best cutting capacity, they also utilize a best-in-class stand and transport system. Once assembled and attached to the folding stand, a Beast tile saw does not ever need to be removed. The saw can be set up and taken down quickly and easily. The tile saws can be stored vertically or horizontally and fits through a standard 32-inch door still on the hinges. The distance between stand handles and wheels allows one person loading and unloading from a standard pickup or van. These two factors are critical in the eyes of a contractor, especially when working alone, as it speeds up setup and cleanup operations, and contractors can set up and tear down their tool in one trip. Most competitive units require 2 people and/or multiple trips. The Beast Tile Saw family also fits our standard lightweight scissor-style stand. We listened to what tile contractors desired in a saw and designed a saw to meet their specific needs. Our new Beast 10 tile saw is bound to revolutionize the tile saw market.